Om Namaskar. Dear drops of my soul from universal love, say goodbye to darkness. Keep the doors of your life open. The light of abundant luck is beckoning. Let it enter your life. I am Unveiling, a numerologist practicing a very unique style called Alien. The system was created by my guru, known as Sadhani Siddhar Shanmugam Adigalar, based on vast research in the Vedic literature dealing with lines and shapes which form the basis of all numbers and alphabets, which when used properly can influence the extraordinary celestial functioning of this universe. My guru, through his extensive research, found out how to tap the precious power hidden behind a person's date of birth and his name. Through his avian, he was able to activate the enormous hidden universal potential to bring out wealth, health, and success in abundance to a person's life. What is avian? Ancient Vedic numerology. Ancient Vedic numerology. Ancient Vedic numerology. It is an unique numerology technique and method gifted to this world by my Guruji, Sri Sadhani Siddhar Shanmugam Adigalar. My Guruji gave me Diksha and guided me for nearly 30 years in perfecting this very unique modern system of numerology, which is based on the very ancient Vedic science, which is miraculous science. I have been able to change the lives of thousands of people who approach me. My goal is that people all over the world should benefit from this simple and yet magical science of numerology. Let us continue talking about this. Thank you. Namaskar.